Right, into the garage for tonight. Let's see what Dodge has been up to today. As you all know, this is Mark's Mini, back from Paul's. I've been polishing it, flattening it and polishing it, and Dodge has been here 2 days now, and well, I can safely say it's done. It is looking superb. Dodge loves this kind of stuff, perfecting paintwork. We've all had a go now, and I think it's safe to say it's spot on. Ready to go. There's that light round this side as well. Aye. Well, it's another red Mini. Ooh, about to go out the door. I did the boot lid the other night, so you'll see some videos of me doing that the other night. It's all ready, all done, polished. Actually, I tell a lie. Because it's so close to the front door, because of the tiny garage I've got, look how small it is. The front panel isn't done yet, so that represents about an hour's worth of work to polish up, flatten and polish. But we're still not at the end of the hurdle yet. That door there belongs to this red car here, and Paul has been having some bother with this fillet. This fillet has been peeling back as he's been sanding it down, so he threw the towel in on it. He was sick like, so I called in on Monday and grabbed the door. I've pulled the filler off and put more in, and I've just let it set, so it feels alright. So tonight's job is I'm going to flatten them areas down at the back, down on the corner, and then I'll get it back tomorrow to Paul's, and hopefully he can get these red over the weekend. So where we're going to start, I'll tell you where we're going to start. On the back bench. Oh, it's a nice can of Arthur there. And I don't know what that stuff is. That's been left by Dodge. Dodge loves his Monster. Nah, cup of tea, pint of Guinness, or a gin and tonic. That'll do me. Right, let's get set up for the night. Get that Guinness poured, and I'll get that door on the go. Swanky new sanding blocks. Out me set down there. Bit of 80 grit to start with, just like you take off the top. Busy getting the headlining in, so I've glued the headlining in at the back last night. So it got glued in last night. I'm going to attempt to glue in the front tonight, but more importantly, around here we've got something drastic going on. Bit of masking taped up, and can you see what I've done? Oh dearie me. Whoops. We had a drip here, like a teardrop, just dripped off there and onto there, so you just let it build up and dry out. I accidentally rubbed through. Whoops. So been through to Paul's tonight, got myself some solar red paint, got the hardener, measuring stick, and the gun is out, so I'm just gonna flick that in tonight, and we'll just flat and polish it out, blend it away tomorrow or a couple of days time. But it is looking shiny, very nice. Cleaned up the engine bay last night, just got rid of all the dust and things. Bit of overspray that we managed to get here, whoops. So I'll get rid of that tonight as well. Right, so I'll get cracking with this bit here. So that's the first coat. One coat. Give it a couple of minutes and then put another bit on. Alright, last coat. Quick dip into the garage this morning. Do the fun bit. Ooh. That's last night's repair. Out now for the fun bit. Taking the mask and the tape off. I'll finish up. That's it. Nice shiny repair. Just need to flatten the edge off. See the edge? Just need to flatten the edge off today and the blending. Oh, shall I touch it? Oh, nice and smooth.